Hope I'm not too bumpy. All right. So I think he said this interior one here is already reserved. These two on the, actually I think all of these on the right are still available. Let's do a walk by here. So yeah, these are really long docks, so you wouldn't run into too much wave action, probably none at all with these interior ones. You might get a little bit here. Neighborhood dock blocks a lot of it. And then you get this big guy on the outside. And then this one was available also. And this was on the other side, and then these are taken mainly because they're just a little bit wider, but you know, if you don't have a big yacht, I don't think you'd need one quite that big. If I were picking one, I'd do this, which I think mainly because you don't have a piling to run into, and then the other two you also have a piling to run into. This one's pretty clean. Like that here. I mean, not telling you which one to pick, but this is a nice looking slip. Tons of room. No piling to hit. Let's see what's over here. I mean, this is a nice one also. It's a little bit shorter of a dock. This part over here is pretty short compared to what I'm standing on, which is pretty long. Hope this helps. Beautiful spot.